Sometimes life reaches a point where your heart feels too tired to keep going. You smile in front of people, but inside, you are fighting battles that nobody knows about. You carry worries about your future. You think about the mistakes of your past. And sometimes you wonder if things will ever get better. But if you are watching this right now, remember something powerful. Allah sees every tear you hide. He hears every silent prayer that lives in your heart. And the moment Allah decides to change your situation, nothing in this world can stop it. Human beings only see what you show them. They see your smile, your work, your daily routine. But Allah sees what is inside your heart. He knows the worries that keep you awake at night. He knows the fears you never tell anyone about. Sometimes we think our problems are too big, but for Allah, nothing is impossible. Doors are being prepared for you. Situations are being arranged for you. And at the perfect time, Allah changes everything. Allah reminds us in the Quran, whoever is mindful of Allah, He will make a way out for them and provide for them from where they do not expect. This means that even when you see no way forward, Allah can open a door you never imagined. Every tear you shed, Allah saw it. Every prayer you whispered at night, Allah heard it. Your struggle is not meaningless. Sometimes the delay is not punishment. Sometimes the delay is preparation. Allah is preparing something better than what you asked for. Ya Allah, replace our worries with peace, our sadness with hope, and our hardships with ease. Guide our hearts and grant us relief from every difficulty. Ameen. If this reminder touched your heart, like this video and share it. And comment, Allah is enough for me.